Here we are processing data using VBA. It's Visual Basic for application in Excel environment. Here we have three tables, but the basic table is bank and records. This bank and records. So we have here in every table date and account number, amount. The problem that the user or the customer have duplicate. Sometimes we have duplicate records from account number, so we haven't unique number. The account number sometimes duplicated, and you cannot relate between record table and bank. The automation program is solve this program by using VBA. It's using search for loop and if statement, nested if statement. It's search for every account number from record table in the bank account and back the result in this table. So every record here will related in the result here. The account number here, the result for the same account number is appear here. We use criteria equal same amount and greater or equal date value. Here clear data, and to create a report we will use this command. So here is the result. New table created from a bank. Note that X in this table appear. That means every record we transferred in new table will removed and replaced with X value. So the value replaced with X is removed from here and appear in the other table or a new table. And we make summation for every record number and every amount number.